Okay, we should be live on YouTube. We are. Let me get this on Twitter. Oh, go, baby, go.
Oh, wow.
Let's do the thing.
Order filled.
There we go. Nice little trade. Morning, Blake. Good to see you, brother. Morning, Sasha. Let me get my camera started here, guys. Yeah, I think we want to run, Steve.
It's kind of looking that way.
I mean, it definitely has the makings of doing so. Good morning, guys. Good to see you all. Sorry, we had a couple little difficulties this morning getting going, but we are here.
Well, that was all my fault.
Well, I wasn't going to say anything. Steve has some apparently supercomputer that takes a minute.
It's not a supercomputer. It's just a monstrosity.
I was told it was a supercomputer. I don't know, guys.
Yeah.
All right. Are we going to have an update is what it's looking like. Above the open
Hopefully.
range. I would like to see if we can test under the open range one more time and then go long. I don't know if I'm going to get it.
Order filled.
What are you thinking, Steve?
I mean, I'm definitely thinking long, even though, you know, like on this 3-minute, there's a wick down. I still think long.
I
Order
think long
filled.
too. 900 sounds good to me.
Yeah, that's kind of where I'm targeting. That would be like 850s, 60s, 580, 50, 580, 60 on the
Order
Qs.
filled.
I mean, that sounds like a plan.
Order filled.
Just taking a few long jabs right here, guys. You know, just jab, jab, jab my way here. Start the new week off right.
It's looking like it wants to roll into that.
Yeah, it definitely does. Okay, I don't hate this.
Order filled.
There we go.
Roll up, roll up.
Okay, I'm sitting out right now. Cash, that was a decent little scalp for me. All right, let me get all of my stuff pulled up here and let's get this stream going. We have a few things to talk about today, guys. Order of business. What's up, guys? Good to see you all on Twitter. All right. I don't know. I mean, this has all the makings of 900, if you want my opinion.
Yeah, I agree. 110%, man. That's why I'm long.
All right. I need another entry point. Maybe if I can get like some 60s here, I can go again. Morning, Commissioner.
Yeah, low 60s, maybe even really high 50s.
Finn, you're asking how to copy trade multiple accounts. So if you're it sounds like you're using Volumetric with DXV, like I'm trading with. So you just hit Trade Copier Start. You have to designate which account you want to be the parent account, and then which one you want to be the children account, or multiple. And then you should be good to go, man. And just make sure that you're always trading off of the parent account.
Order filled.
You can DM me on Twitter, and I can help walk you through it if need be too. All right, what are we going to do here, guys? You're awful quiet this morning, Steve.
I'm reading here. So Sean, it's the Rhythmic NinjaTrader connection. So the issue is that NinjaTrader did an update to their platform, and this is straight from them. It's a Rhythmic connection issue all around, like for everybody to a degree, because the Rhythmic isn't as updated as the NinjaTrader. So it's completely out of our hands. We can't make a move any faster. I had a meeting with them on Friday.
Order filled.
They're actively looking at it. They're saying might be 2 to 3 weeks.
All right, looking to see if we can bounce off of this open range high right here, guys. If not, then, I have a stop in place right here to get me out. I'm not taking any big losses today. That is my goal of the day. No whammies. Paper cuts only.
Order
All right,
filled.
there we go. Little paper cut.
What are we rolling into here?
We're testing 850. It's a 50-50 shot whether we hold the open range high or not. I mean, I'll sell it quickly if I need to, but I'm liking it so far. There we go.
Order filled.
All right, little hitter. We'll take it.
I still think 900 is in the mix.
You very well could be right. I'm already out of that short.
Order filled.
I'm getting long here.
Order
I could see a
filled.
little bull flag forming on the 5-minute. If you want to go long, Steve, I'll go long with you.
I already added.
I'm in with you too, man.
I added to the position. I mean, brought my average up, but yeah, adding to a winner.
Whatever
any of that crap means.
I just have you as my scapegoat if I lose this trade.
Oh, okay, cool. All right,
Yeah.
Good. Happy to hear it. It's not looking like it's going to hold.
Dang it, Steve. Why'd you tell me to go long?
Yeah, there it is. Flushed.
I'm still long for the time being. It does have that feel for me too that we want to go for 900 today. So for right now, I'm long.
I didn't
Order
think it would
filled.
retrace that far, 50 points.
I mean, Mondays, man, they're the toughest day of the week, in my opinion. I'm right here, right at my average currently. Let's just get a big monstrosity trade here, guys.
I mean, $250 in 15 minutes isn't bad. I might just be a watcher.
No, it's not bad, but we can do better.
Yeah, but I only trade the micros when I stream with you.
Why is that?
Just to show everybody that, 2 or 3 micros you can do just as well without risking too much on your account.
You definitely can. I mean, I thought it was because you're trying to be the everyday trading man.
Yeah, yeah, man.
I'm ready just to explode back above the open range, guys. I'm locked and loaded, baby.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. I might have to take a little shot at this. We'll risk a little bit here
Order
to see
filled.
what happens.
All right, locked in a little bit right
Order
there,
filled.
but I'm getting back in myself.
Order filled.
Come on, baby. Full send this.
I'll take another 40 or 50 bucks.
Dude, that's Chipotle money. I'll take that all day, every day.
Yeah, it might be Chipotle money for you, man. I got 4 kids I got to feed. That don't even get
Order
me enough
filled.
nachos.
Talk about these light accounts, Steve. Tell everybody what these light accounts are.
Order filled.
Basically we just wanted to give a more affordable upfront option, right? So maybe somebody that's kind of new to futures or even new to futures prop space, funding evaluators, things like that, right?
Sure.
We wanted
Order
to give a
filled.
very affordable option. Maybe you're still refining your edge and everybody will sell you an account for
Order
$200, right? But we wanted to offer the opportunity to get into the market really affordable. Now, if you do pass, you have to pay the fee to move to the Halcyon Light reward account. But, that's small. It's $129. And how these accounts work is they're what like people would call like a traditional
Order
one-step
filled.
prop account, right? So you pass the evaluation, you move right into the reward account. And from there, after you build your buffer, you can start taking withdrawals. Now your days traded starts the first day, so you're gaining your trading days while you're building your buffer.
Okay.
So on a 50K account, you can withdraw above 52,100. It's the buffer plus 100. So I mean they're pretty darn simple and easy. And
It's like your standard prop account is what it seems like.
Yeah, they're basically a standard prop account. Now, I'm not a huge believer in a buffer. That's why our other accounts are structured the way they are. I feel the profits that you make, you should be able to withdraw.
I agree with that. And people don't understand that. Like, this might be a good opportunity to go into like what these accounts really are, the standard accounts.
Yeah, so like I said, the light accounts, you have to make a buffer, right? So you have to make $2,100 in it before you can withdraw, right? And you can only withdraw above
Order filled.
52,100. You're never going to be able to touch that 2,100. That's basically your drawdown, so you always have to be above that to withdraw. our standard accounts, you can withdraw down into that. You only are required to keep $200 in your sim brokerage account. So we're not withholding any of your profits. But,
Order filled.
we listened, we heard all the feedback, and people wanted these, quote unquote industry standard accounts. So we gave them to them. But we also gave them to them at, like an extremely, extremely affordable
Correct.
rate. I mean, $68 to get into the evaluation, and you only have to pay for your, reward account when you pass. I mean, you can't really find that anywhere else. Plus, we don't have any of the insane, crazy rules everybody else
Exactly,
has.
and that's, you can't leave that out. Like, there's legitimately no rules other than don't hit your max loss. I mean, that's a pretty fair rule if you ask me.
Yeah, because I mean, you can find like a similar account elsewhere, but you're going to get hit with a daily loss limit. You're going to get hit with a consistency rule. You're going to get hit with, you have to make, $200 minimum profit for the day to count as your trading day. So yeah, some other firm might say, oh, we have
Order
5
filled.
trading days to pay out or 7 days to trading payout. But do you really? Can you hit $200 for 7 days in a row? And even if you did that, you still don't have enough money in the account to withdraw.
Correct.
Order filled.
So, I mean, we think that they're a great addition to the firm, and hopefully, traders will see the big difference, right? That we're not going to constrain you and put you in a box and wall you in. I had great talks with everybody on our Discord over the weekend or Friday night, and that's our biggest thing, right? Like, we don't want to wall a trader in.
Order filled.
Plenty of traders are unique. Plenty of systems are unique. So we just want to give every avenue that we can for all the traders.
Yeah, that's I would say, if I see anything on social media as far as confusion, people think that, when you go funded, it's with Halcyon, they think that you essentially have to do an eval all over again. They're like, what's the point of calling this funded if this is an eval? It's not an eval. What it is you actually are funded. Once you hit your profit target, they go ahead and kind of like seamlessly move you to the next stage, but you keep the profit that you made. So you can withdraw into your buffer, and there's quite literally no other prop account currently on the market that, all right, your profit target is, call it 2,500. No other prop will let you withdraw into that 2,500. And I just don't
even I don't even think they let you in their funded phases.
No, they don't.
I haven't done great research, but there's still 2,500 that you will never touch.
Correct.
That's pretty much everywhere. And I say this again, like, we test them. As somebody new comes out, we test it, and we see, if it's true or not. Some say no buffer. I mean, I can tell you two that
Order
just
filled.
came into the future space in a big splash, and they got a buffer.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not saying anything, but yeah, I mean, we test them. I can pass those accounts in whatever, 3 days, 1 day, it doesn't matter to me. I can hit the targets in a week, and we test it all. I mean, as far as I know, we're the only one that allows you to go inside the buffer.
I'm thinking long here still, guys.
Man, you're still trading, aren't you? Didn't you make any money yet?
I'm down $400.
See, I'm up 300.
Let's
It's
see
me
by the
and- What?
let's see
What?
by the end of the stream where we're at.
Well, I'm done, man. I'm just gonna shoot the shit with you and mess with you.
Sabotage me, great.
Yeah. I mean, 2-3 micros, $300, 30 minutes. We're done.
I mean, that's
We're out.
not bad, honestly. If I would have done that, I'd have been a lot better off than where I'm at now, but here we are.
Yeah, I mean, there's no reason to go any further. Will there ever be end of day accounts for the evals or only trailing? I mean, we've talked about end of day, but this goes back to the same thing is, we're not trying to be like everybody else, but if you look at every end of day on the market, There's a consistency rule attached to it, and there's a daily loss limit. So you really only have half of your drawdown.
Order
I mean, if
filled.
we offered an end of day with basically no rules like we have, I mean, we'd probably have to charge a little bit more. I mean, if people were okay with that, we would do it. What do you think, Gary?
Well, with me, I do enjoy end of day, but I trade the Ultra account, so they have end of day anyway. So, you know, I just trade those accounts. I know that they are a little bit more expensive for, an upfront fee. In my opinion, they're the best prop account ever created. So I think
Order filled.
the extra fee is greatly worth it. Trailing drawdown, I don't know. A lot of people complain about it, and I do hear their complaints. But if you trail your stops up with you, like in the profit, it kind of defeats the trailing drawdown, in my opinion. But yeah, it's something that you guys could do. But with the no rules, I don't know. I'm torn on it.
I mean, we've talked about like making it an option, right? Where you can go with the account the way it is, or you can like click a button and turn it into end of day as like an option add-on, right? But that would
Sure.
also have to increase the price. Noah's asked the question twice. I'm sorry, no, I missed it the first time. So the main difference between light and standard is you are able to
Order
withdraw
filled.
into that buffer zone with a standard account. The answer is yes. So in a standard account, once you're in that sim brokerage, it's just a static drawdown. You just can't let the account go below 200, right? So you can trade your 10 days, you can withdraw into it, you can, decide to keep more into it because that's also your capital, your buying power. It's basically just like a real live brokerage account. You know what I mean? Any real live brokerage account is going to tell you, you got to have $100 minimum, $200 minimum, $500 minimum, right? So it's basically just like a real live brokerage account. You can withdraw into that.
Mm-hmm.
Are you short right now?
Getting short, buddy.
You're a brave, brave, brave soul, man.
Well, I mean, yeah, I don't really have a rebuttal to say to you. I just think it's short.
The 1 minute's kind of hanging out there.
The 2 minute looks bearish. That's kind of what I'm
Yeah.
on here. But I mean, I might
you-
get stopped right here.
No, you could get a little 15, 20 point drop there.
Oh, that's great.
Back into
That's
the-
what I'm
back
looking
into the-
for.
Yeah, back into
Order
the
filled.
20s. Looks like it wants to come back in the like 579 30s.
Yeah, ProFast, I agree. The Ultra accounts, if you can afford the little bit of an extra fee, they're by far the best accounts that you would ever have.
Order filled.
So also, and not many people know it, but like when you do your, like everybody wants to upgrade in trading, right? So like this isn't a sales pitch. This is just like new, attaining new levels of trading, right? So just bear with me.
Okay.
So when you
Order filled.
come into a sim brokerage, let's say you take your reward, we do send you a discount that's eligible for like 7 days to get an Ultra account. It makes them a little bit cheaper for your first month. So then that way you can kind of upgrade your trading level, right? So let's say you started with a 50K, now let's get you into a 400K Ultra, right? And now you can really start moving some size and moving the numbers and taking bigger rewards and bigger payouts, right? That really is our end of day
Order
account.
filled.
I think we're still short here, guys.
Yeah, you got about another 5 points, and then you should probably be looking to get out, maybe even around here.
Yeah.
Order filled.
All right, I'm
Order
taking a
filled.
stab long. Steve said go long, so I'm going long.
I didn't say go long. I said get out of the short.
Well, that means go long. If you're not short, you're long.
Just got to be in something.
Well, if you don't think it's going to keep going down, why would you tell me to get out of the short? Don't worry, if this works, I'll say thank you, Steve.
What was it? It's still within the pullback right there to the long at 30, 40 points. It's like your average today. Yeah, about 40 points.
I'm keeping my stop down here right at 23.
To answer Noah's question, any possibility of adding more accounts to copy trade on down the road, maybe 10 or even 20?
Oh,
No,
20.
It just doesn't make sense because our goal is to move traders to live, and at some point, it just becomes a liquidity issue. There's no real genuine benefit to having 50, 100 grand in a live account if you're typically only trading 2 or 3 minis. I mean, you're leaving 90% of capital just sitting without having it work for you. Just doesn't make sense. 3 is plenty. I mean,
Order filled.
3 ultras is equivalent to I don't know how many 50K accounts. It's like a freak ton.
yeah. I mean, 1 400K is equivalent to 8.
Okay, so there you go.
I mean, in all reality, you can have 24 if you had 3 400Ks. We don't have the need to offer 20 accounts because we have the ultra accounts.
Order filled.
Good question, though. Oh, I told you to get out of that short way too early, huh?
Yeah, you screwed me. Absolutely screwed me.
Well, you wouldn't have held it that far.
Oh,
anyways.
I would have been in it.
Oh, yeah.
Every time Steve comes on stream, I get sabotaged, guys. I think we got bleeding to do.
Order filled.
I'm going to add into this too.
Noah's question, once in a live, is capital adjusted based on review and performance? Yes and no, to a degree. There's a whole Q&A about live accounts. So, like, let's say that you had
order filled.
I don't even know, like 15,000 on your
order
sim
filled.
brokerage, and your payout is 3,000, whatever. We would move you into live with your payout equivalent. If you can continue to grow that account and remain net positive, then we do reviews and we keep scaling you up. So I guess to answer your question, yes. It doesn't benefit anybody to give you
order
the
filled.
whole 15 grand right away.
All right, can we come pop under 800 here, guys?
You're still trying the short, huh?
Well, yeah, you screwed me out of all my profit.
I screwed you out of all your profit. This from the man that would never hold for a 30-point move.
Oh, I hold for 50-point moves.
Oh, okay. Jeez.
We're a different channel than the last time you've been on, Steve.
I guess so, brother. I guess so.
Tell him, guys.
Tell them. Yeah, tell them.
Come on, baby.
So like I guess to go into Noah's a little bit further. So like in your live accounts you get, daily withdrawals, right? So you can withdraw once every 24 hours. And also we back you by guaranteeing certain positions. So let's say you had a great
Order
trade
filled.
on, let's say you're, up 150, 200 points on, NQ going into the close. It's a simple phone call to your account advisor. And, we can guarantee that position overnight so you can achieve even more profits, right? We just set a stop at break even. So like we don't hold you back. There's far more flexibilities with it. And it goes, further into, if you have that successful trading, like
Order
we'll
filled.
back you even more beyond what you gained in your sim account, right? Because our goal is to keep helping you scale up. One contract turns to 10, turns to 20, turns to 30, and then everybody's making more, ourselves included, because we're copying you at that point.
30
So hopefully
contracts
that-
is wild.
I mean, not really, man.
Okay.
I mean, it's pretty intense, but when we're doing it, slowly, like, right, your first 30 days, you might only be able to buy one or two. And then, if you've had success there, then more capital is pushed into the account. And now we're at 2 to 5 for an average position. And again, 30 days, more, now we're at 5 to 10. And you get used to the numbers.
Sure.
I mean, yeah, if you went from one contract to then 15 or 20 and your stop is typically $300, now you're staring at a stop that's, $5 or $6 grand, it might freak you out right away. Yeah, I'm not an overnight guy either. What we do is we put a hard lock break even on the trade. So then that way ourselves,
Order
yourselves, and the FCM knows that there's, in theory, no way for that trade to go negative against us. But yeah, I do enjoy my sleep. No, it's funny.
I like Noah, man. He's a good guy.
You're quiet. Oh, you got short again, and now you're getting not so short.
What do you mean not so short?
Well, you're short, and it's not going so well.
I'm at even.
This is why Gary doesn't bring me on.
Yeah, we'll have Steve again probably 45 days from now. We need.
He's like, this fucking guy.
We got to make money, guys. I don't know what to tell you.
Oh man, I found these.
What'd you find?
They're kind of like Zen, right? But they're actual Copenhagen pouches. They're pretty cool.
Why don't you just stick with what works?
I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm a contrarian, man.
Yeah, you definitely are.
Chris, you said you'd be fully vetting the guests. Yeah, he really screwed up, didn't he?
Yeah, I screwed up with this one, guys. I apologize. I thought I had vetted Steve, but I'm getting screwed. The 5-minute looks like a bear flag forming unless it comes back up above this gray line.
You're absolutely crazy.
Let's see how crazy I am, Steve. Let's see how crazy I am. Come on, baby. Drop the world.
Drop the world. I'm just going to mess with you, and I'm going to... All right.
Sorry, you cut out for a second.
I said I took one micro long.
Oh, my God. I hope news comes out that I don't know, something that would just tank the market happened.
We're going into the 40s.
Yeah. 740.
940.
Okay, I can't let this get above here on me, guys, at 45.
I'm rolling into that. That was a maybe even back into the
Yeah, good job, Steve.
yeah. There's some resistance here.
Order
Would
filled.
you
All right,
45?
I'm out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm out.
Order
Okay,
filled.
Oh,
that's fine.
Order filled. Order filled.
53. Do we dare?
Yeah, we dare.
Oh, I got short. Shit.
Good, I'm long.
No, I didn't mean to get short.
Oh,
I exit real quick.
Order filled.
okay, made
What
a
else
little
did
bit.
you want to talk about today?
It's your show today, man.
Oh no, don't give me that crap.
Give me 1 second.
Order filled.
I got to make some money
Order
back after you
filled.
sabotaged me.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Thanks.
Order filled.
I don't want to be homeless.
You wouldn't be homeless.
Order filled.
I might be homeless.
Order filled.
You'll find me down on 8 Mile, Steve.
You won't be there for long.
I know. Come on, baby. If you want 900, just give us 900.
It's acting like it wants it, isn't it?
It definitely is. Okay. Not hating this at all, actually.
Jeez, I got out way too
Order
early.
filled.
Okay. I'm only down 1,300 now. That's a livable number. Chris said it's not as bad as you think, Gare. Just get a job driving a truck. You'll be all right. Yeah, I could do that. Life on the road. Okay, guys, let's see here. I still think we got higher to go, but I'm going to cool it for a second. Okay, so we have Monty over on Twitter that asked a question. If you pass the Lite account, would you have to pay for the upgrade through manual transaction, or will it be taken out of the profit margin? It would be a separate manual transaction. Yeah, I think we're going to high day here, guys.
Yeah, this thing's just rolling.
Order filled.
It's definitely rolling. Good call on the long down there, Steve. I was mistaken.
Oh, yeah. So if my internet would act right, the 5-minute looked kind of juicy. High or low?
What are we going to do here? Can we break 75? I think we can. Okay,
Whoa. Look at
Order
that. Nice little
filled.
push.
there we go. I got my 80. Happy with that. Not too bad, Steve.
Not at all.
Okay, I'm
Now
only
the question is, where do you try to get in again, huh?
give me a minute and I'll show you where to get in. I'm only down 1,200. I can live with this, guys. Monday is usually my bad day. 2 trades away from green. That's the way I'm looking at it.
Okay, we're in.
I'm not in yet.
Tight stop.
Give it to like 54, and I'll get in.
Oh, that's where you're waiting for, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Order
you
filled.
probably are right.
Okay. I'm in right here.
I was early.
It's okay. I'll sell you my course at a discounted rate.
I need to buy it.
I mean, it's a good one.
Yeah, we're going to get stopped. This is going to whip.
Don't be so negative, Steve.
I'm not negative. I'm a realist.
Have you heard of a concept called fate?
I love me some fate, but I also like sitting in reality.
Me too, and that's why I go by fate. The reality is, fate is on our side.
Okay, all right, let's go. Fate's on our side.
See? You just gotta take every trade, understanding that, and there's nothing to be scared of. I'm not putting my stop in yet. Two-minute is a picture-perfect bull flag.
Yeah, I mean the 5 minute is too. It's just we're kind of dancing in a little consolidation area.
Nah,
No
blah,
man's
blah, blah.
land. Yeah, blah blah blah.
Just sit back, know that you're about to get paid here, and we're going to be good.
I really want to see 900s, man. It's just going to make you work for it.
Well, I thought we were going to see 900s on Friday, and, you know, I got slammed. But I do think we got Hive Day coming, you know. Whether or not we break 900, I would like to think that we do, but I at least think we got Hive Day on deck.
Order filled.
Okay, tagged in the profit right there. Probably too soon, but I liked my entry. See,
Nothing wrong with it.
I told you wait for 54, Steve.
Take the profit while you can. Yeah, you were on the money on that one, man.
I know. I've been studying my course over the weekend.
54 would have been a really clean entry.
I mean, you know, man, sometimes I'm on the money. Other times I get sabotaged, so, you know. Yeah, that was just too clean of a bull flag, man, on the, well, really every time frame. I'm curious to see the next 5-minute candle, though. We've tested that 75 area 2 times, and we didn't really explode above it. That's making me a little bit nervous.
Nvidia is gaining some traction today.
Yeah, every time I look at Nvidia too much, man, I end up getting screwed.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Here we go.
Let's see if it breaks.
It's acting like it wants it.
There we go. Come on into the 80s.
Bingo, bingo.
Order filled.
Come on, 80.
All right, I'm only down 1,100. I'm liking this. I am well on my way to coming back, guys. It wouldn't be a Monday morning stream for me if I didn't have to battle back.
That's how Fridays are for me, man. Just freaking brutal.
I know, man. It's like, quite literally, I should just take off the first hour of Monday, and the amount of money I would make would be insane. Maybe I'll do that next Monday.
I mean, weren't we talking over the weekend or on Friday about how like the first 30 minutes the last couple weeks has just been crap?
Yes, we were talking about that. That's a third test of 75. I'm getting nervous there.
Yeah, I don't really know if I like that too much either. Like, just to be safe, we're gonna go break even. We get stopped, we get stopped.
All right. Is there any other announcement, firm related, Steve, that we had an?
I don't think so.
Okay. Well, you would be the guy that knows.
That's what they tell me. No, it's just the Halcyon Light accounts, man. We're really happy about them. I think once people understand the difference between the light and the standard, then you have the options. You have the, the choice to choose.
Sure.
Right? Like we have end of day in the ultra. You can withdraw inside of your buffer
Order
on
filled.
the standard. And then we just have, like the industry norm prop accounts in the lights, the cheaper step with a buffer.
To me, the benefit that I see about the lights is if you are somebody that, if you're honest with yourself, if like you think that you might struggle in an eval, I mean, everybody thinks that they're going to pass. I mean, I think everybody has the capability of passing if they get disciplined. But if statistically speaking, your history is you struggle in evals, I think that's where the Halcyon Light might be a better option for you because you pay a smaller upfront fee. And then, if you pass the eval, which hopefully you will, then you just, basically pay the full price afterwards. But it's a way that, you're not out as much if you don't pass an eval, which I think is very cool. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, and that's kind of why we wanted to, give people that option, right? Because I mean, there might be somebody that, is working on their second or third eval, right? And
Yep.
I mean, that can get expensive to a
Order
degree.
filled.
So, you know, the biggest benefit is, the Halcyon Light accounts, they still come with, none of the crazy rules,
Yeah,
right?
I mean, all the
So
great Halcyon, lack of rules, so to speak.
do we hold these 80s here?
I just sold. I'm down 900 now.
I want 90s.
You
I know
might
that's
want
greedy.
90s, but King Greed over here.
I know that's greedy.
I'm okay with chilling right now. I'm only down $900. I know that by better. I mean, we have good movement right now. We really do. But if we have like a reversal with some more range to the downside, I know I can get green on that. Up here, when we're kind of figuring it out, do we want to break 900 or not? It's sketching me out. If I was in the green, maybe I would take it. Chris said he's going to buy him a 10-pack of lights. He didn't say 10-pack. That's just the way I read it. Ten does sound like a lot of accounts, though, Chris.
Yeah, that's an insane amount of accounts. I don't even know how you manage that many. Like, what about the people that are, on social media talking about that they're trading, 50 accounts and stuff like that? That's crazy, right?
I mean,
10 different prop firms.
the highest highs, the lowest lows. I mean, I guess if you make $200 across 50, you're feeling like Superman that day. But if you lose, that, then you feel not so great.
Yeah, what happens if you lose 500 across 50? Oh my good night.
Yeah, I mean, it's not good.
Oh, this is where my greed bites me in the butt.
I told you, man. It's sad when I'm the voice of reason today.
$85 is tough. What's 85? Nothing. 580 70s? Cares about that on the cues?
You might get 90. I mean, it's hanging out up here. I could see a quick touch of 900, like maybe 910, 9.
So just boom, slam down 30 points.
Yeah, I mean, the answer is I don't know. So that's why my hand's off the trigger right now. I mean, looks like the start of a decent reject to me, but I could also see a little flag being put in place here that it just goes.
Order filled.
And that's kind of the latter what I'm going to go with here. I took a long with you, Steve.
Oh, yay. Hey. All right. Let's get it.
Let's
shooting
bingo, bango.
for 893 and a half.
And a half.
Yeah. I like that extra tick or two.
Okay. Let's go. I'm not mad about it. 9 3/4.
Yeah.
You're never going to get that reference.
Order filled.
No, I have no idea what you're talking about.
It's Harry Potter, man.
Oh, no. Fuck no. You know what I started watching?
Let me hear it.
Game of Thrones, man. I've never watched an episode.
It's good.
I'm on first season, like episode 4 or 5. I watch like 30 minutes a night. I started last week. It's actually not bad.
This is incredible. I'm going to start when I get pissed at you, just sending you like spoilers.
You motherfucker, you would too.
Like, oh, hey man, did you get to that episode? That was crazy when so and so died, right?
Yeah, I just started it. It's actually not bad, man.
Has anyone died yet on the episode that you're on?
The king is he got stabbed by a boar or some crap.
Oh,
I
okay,
don't know if
okay.
he's dead yet. But yeah, I think that's where I'm at.
Well,
So maybe I'm like 5 or 6 in. I don't know.
boy, are you on for a ride. Oh, Pro
Why?
Fast Guy says Steve has a great haircut.
Oh, thanks, man. Oh, here, come on. Just go, would you?
Would you believe me if I said I already got out in the profit?
Yeah, I would.
Oh no, man, I felt like offended when you were like, you wouldn't have held anyway. So I was like, all right, fine, I'll go back to my old ways. Show him that I won't hold.
I'll prove it to you. I won't hold shit.
You want to see this?
Order filled.
And I'm
Okay.
back.
93, man. That's what I want. I want 93. I think that's where we topped on Friday.
Well,
Isn't it?
I don't know. I think we touched right at 900, if I'm being honest. I don't know. Maybe,
Oh yeah, we did. 902.50. Yeah.
let's go. I'm playing this super tight, though.
Yeah, I kind of am too. Excuse me.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out. I'm down 850. I'm okay with that.
I'm gonna be ticked if this thing rolls short.
Well, I mean, I could see maybe 850 wanting to have a little test again.
Oh, you. Okay. I'm done for the day.
Yeah, I think I'm done for the morning. Maybe get a little caffeine break in me. You know, it's Monday. I know that Mondays are a slow start for me. Only down $800 on a Monday morning. That's fantastic. I know I'll be green by the end of the day at this rate. So, on every trade.
This is some typical NQ shit right here.
Oh, it stopped you and now it's going to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
It's okay.
like the worst X you've ever had. Hold on, I want to answer Noah's question.
Sure.
So to answer your question, Noah,
Order
we can
filled.
diversify your lives for you, right? So you're not constrained to like just 1, 2, 3. Like we can have multiple, but it has to make sense for you as the trader, right? So there's something to be said for scaling up a live account, adding more contracts, more allocation. And then there's also something to be said for spreading accounts too.
Mhm.
So it's whatever you're comfortable with. I hope that answers the question.
Spreading is good.
Yes, I believe in spreading accounts out and diversifying risk, right?
I mean,
okay. I think yep.
that's pretty freaking good, Steve.
Yeah, buddy. If this thing goes to 900, I'm gonna smash a Kleenex.
Don't know what that means, but okay.
It means I'm just gonna be mad and not do shit about it.
Okay. I was like, well, I've never heard that one before. I don't know how to take that one, but you do you, Steve.
Come on, man. I thought you was a country boy.
Well, I am, but we've never said smash a Kleenex.
As quiet as a mouse pissing on cotton. Smash a Kleenex.
I think you probably got on Google one night, looked up, country sayings that you think are real, and you're just rolling with it.
No, man.
Oh, and now you got the accent too. Okay, this is incredible. All right, guys. Well, thank you for a great stream. I'll see you guys on Twitter in a bit.
Okay, thanks, Gary. I appreciate it. Thanks, everybody.
All right, bye.